Ever thought of making world class masking videos? Yes, you heard me right. World class masking videos. Well, then you are in the right place. So, let's begin. Okay, so for making this video, you need a number of things. A green screen. Well, in my case, this was my green screen. A phone or a camera to shoot, and editing software. In my case, I used Filmora. You can go ahead and use KineMaster or Power Director or whatever you like. Okay, so today in masking series, I will be showing you how I did that first intro video that you saw when you entered this video. So for that, I first created a few raw videos with a green screen in the background, and see that. Okay. Like that, I created a few videos. Okay, so I will go ahead and edit them. So first I will be opening Filmora. It takes a bit of time. Okay, so Filmora has opened. Now I will be creating a new project. So first let me introduce you to this aspect ratio. 16:9 widescreen is normal videos that you see in your computer or mobile. 1:1 are the videos that are published in Instagram. You can do that in 1:1 format if you want to upload it to Instagram, or if you want it to be a normal video, I will keep it to 16:9. Okay, then I will be clicking on new project, and this is the intro page of this is Filmora 9. So I'll go ahead and bring the full folder of those videos that I had shot. Okay, it's present in this new project. As you can see, they have been imported to the software. Okay, now I'll be first bringing in my first video. Now how will I bring it to the timeline? I'll just drag it. Okay, selecting all of them and clicking onto this one, and I'll be dragging it to here. Remember, okay, here it asks to change the project settings. Now my media has 23 fps and my project setting has 25 fps. Whichever has the more frame rates per second, use that. I show you this video now. Okay, you can see that it's a good video. Now I will be cutting out the last portion. With the remaining part, I just cut it out. As you can see, this is a different video folder, and I will delete by pressing the delete key. Now I will be doing the magic. For that, first I will be importing the background that I will be using in this case. Let's go images, and say I did this in my intro video. This time let me do with realistic. Okay, this looks great. Now I will be dragging this below the video that I did. Now you will not be observing any change over here. Drag it. Now comes the magic. Double clicked here. I opened this editing part over here, and I enabled chroma key. Now you will still be not be seeing any magic over here. Now I'll be clicking on the dropper. Now here what it does is just simply uses the color. Now select color and 1, 2, 3. You can see that it's a bit grayish color like a cloud. Now, as soon as I increase the offset, see those disappear slowly. is the tolerance. You need to play with these to get a clear video. Like, let's see how that this condition again became. I will be coming back. So that part was a bit crispy. So let me go back to that frame. Yeah, this one. Now again I will be operating with this. You can see I don't want myself to go with. Yeah, this is better. Let me start it from the beginning. Okay, you can see it's pretty nice. But at the beginning, an instance it gives uh, yeah, that thing. But sorry, but that will not go. Yeah, I tried it the most in the last video also. You will be seeing that there is a bit of glitch over there, but you can't help that because of my uneven lighting. You can go ahead and do better. Okay, now what I will be doing is a trick. I will be taking it to the full screen and just bringing it back so that I can get a still picture of myself. And then I will be letting this go down and remove the screenshot. And as soon as I take the screenshot, then I will be importing it. See pictures, screenshots. Yeah, this one. I will be opening that, and then I will be dragging it to this timeline over here. Now this will be my background for the next video. Okay, now I'll be adding my next video. I think this one is one. Yeah, this one is dragging it over here. Let me see the video. Yeah, it's the one. Now again I will be pausing it, opening the chroma key option, and I will be taking over. Very nice. I'll have to play with these again. Okay, that's again.
World class masking videos.
It's pretty nice. And now I'll be dragging this one back so that these two matches each other. And this also will be cutting it at a bit like that. Not be taking yeah, cutting it over this one also. Then I'll be taking these extra parts. Okay. Now second trick. Again I will be coming back here, I will be moving the cursor away and taking a screenshot. Now again import that screenshot. This one. I'll be dragging it over here and I will be putting my third video. Let's see how that third video goes. Very good. Yeah, see that this is the video. Now again I will be doing the same effect, doubling the chroma key, clicking the dropper and removing the background. Take off. Bit of precise is fine. Let me and come back there. Copy. Yeah. Deleting this one and cutting this one also, maybe deleting this one also. So up till this one, very good.
World class masking videos.
Okay, now you can see that it's looking a bit haphazard. So what I will be doing is picking this one, shortening its length, so it becomes a bit spacious.
World class masking videos.
It's a pretty nice point. Now I will be taking a screenshot. Okay, but I will not be using this screenshot because you can see that it's already full. Now what I did last time was that I took a screenshot of this page only. which was a pretty nice example. Let me bring in the screenshot, this one. This has come. I will be importing this video, cutting this video and deleting the remaining portion, and then I will be removing the chroma key option and removing the background. Okay, and now I will be putting the background over in the pseudo part, shortening the length. Let's start. Okay, pretty nice. So this was the masking feature of Filmora. Now another trick. Let me add one transition in the last transformation. So this will enhance the capacity. Okay, it's a pretty nice masking. Let's see it from the beginning.
Class masking videos.
Okay, so this is complete. Now I'll be trying to export it. As soon as I click export, I get this page. You will not get this page. You will get a page selecting the you want a free, you want a business, or maybe a premium part. But if you take a free, then you will be having a big thumbnail of the Filmora company in your video. But as you saw, my video did not contain any thumbnail. This is because simply I hacked Filmora. So if you want to see that video, stay tuned to us, and obviously subscribe so that you can get the latest notifications immediately when I upload that video, and it is coming soon, I promise you. So let me rename this into intro of a video. Okay, and it's okay. Now it will be uh, doing my work for me. See that it is converting the video to format. Okay, so as you can see, Filmora has done converting this video. Okay, now I'll be opening my video. As you can see, this is my video. Now let's open it.
World. Yes, you heard me right.
So this was
World
not my
class.
best editing, but this is my first video editing, so it's a pretty nice one. So this was our video. Okay, so thank you for watching. Subscribe.